Hello guys, you see this error when you open the file in Photoshop, then it gives you this error, cannot place your file because no parser or format. This happens because of the format of your file. Check out what is the format. It is .awif in my case. Go to Google and type awif to JPG converter because JPG is supported in Photoshop. So you write it, and usually this is the cloud convert tool which is on top. You can open this and it is very easy to use. First bring in your file and drag it here, then you select which output format you want it to convert, and we will choose JPG here. Then click convert. Once the processing is done, you download the file. After downloading, open the file in Photoshop, and that's all. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.